I don't leave. Give my money back, 200. You think I have time?
I call the police tourist
Yeah,
now.
call police now.
Okay.
You help me call police now. This nonsense country.
No, I know. My girlfriend.
It's crazy. Wow.
Mashallah.
She's telling in Egypt she have a girlfriend. Oh my! I hope no bad person is here to harm us.
I don't like guys.
You know it's very illegal in Egypt. First people in Egypt, Sudan, Nubian or Arabic?
Yeah, Nubia.
Nubian?
Yeah.
First one.
Yeah.
Guys, I told you. Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Right now I'm in Egypt in a town called Luxor, very historical place for temple and the Valley of Kings. You might have already watched my previous videos. If you have not, you should check it out. And see, most of the hotels here put the tour map and the places that you can see. So most of the time you can book these tours with the property that you are staying at, and most of them are at affordable price. It's not so expensive. So they have every time, whichever hotel I have been to, they have these tours. So make sure to check them out. And today we are going from Luxor to Aswan, and on the way I think we'll stop at one of the temple. Can I see the temple on this map? No, it's Karnak, not this one. Maybe somewhere here, one of this one. So today we will see one of the temple, Edfu or Qom. There are so many temple, guys, and all the temple have entry ticket of like $10 to $20, which is a lot if you want to see all of them in your one trip. So I'm just picking randomly, and whichever will be left we'll see next time when we come to Egypt again. Just had breakfast. Oh, I forgot to show you breakfast. We were talking so much, but it's okay. It was Egyptian breakfast: falafel, bread, cheese, cucumber, honey, coffee.
Thank you, my friend.
Okay, thank you so much. Hello, hi.
So
Hello.
okay, now we are ready.
Vamos.
Vamos, yeah. Is it you guys first time in Egypt?
Yes.
Oh, nice, nice. We all are first timers in Egypt.
I love it. This is so good. Yes. Okay, this road is more faster than the other one, and we take this road for to be more faster in Aswan.
Okay.
And the driver take off a cash of his pocket, and if the police man ask him, he will pay him.
He will pay the police because he's smuggling the tourists.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Because this road is only for local people and not tourists.
Oh,
and
okay.
he paid for said, okay, I can go with them. And
I understand.
understand?
Yeah, guys, I have heard about this before also. Like some roads are just not for tourists in Egypt, which is insane. It's crazy.
لا هي بتصور بس. بتصور زي بعضه واحنا بنشرب. هات على كده. هات على كده خلي غطايا.
Guys, there is so much sugarcane juice in Egypt, just like India. It's so delicious. You know, one of the most favorite juice for me is orange and sugarcane and mango. I love it so much. Nice. And maybe if the temple is not so big, we will just see it from outside, and then don't pay $10 for the small temple, because we will go Abu Simbel, which is huge temple. So let's see what's better, if we can go Abu Simbel or what should we do, because there are so many temples and all of them are so expensive. It's crazy. Okay. Shukran. Guys, sorry?
What one is a picture?
No, we just walk outside, then we go.
The temple.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is local for the picture.
Take. Guys, he have taken my camera and trying to help to shoot. What's your name?
Adam.
Huh?
Adam.
Adam. And you?
Muhammad.
Mohammed. Nice. Are you from here? Komombo? Kom Ombo. So guys, we are just outside the Kom Ombo temple, but our taxi driver said that this is a very small temple and the entry ticket is 450 or 500 for a small temple. Can you imagine? So if it's really small, we are not going inside. I think so.
You like it?
Do you want to go inside if it's small temple? Maybe? Yeah. Okay, let's try.
No, come on, just say, hey, come on, hey, it's okay.
Shakira, yeah.
You already know the name Kom Odofu. I forgot the name already, sorry. But this is the temple and the ticket for just for this is 450. Do you want to pay 450? No?
Too much.
Just for this?
Too much.
Too much, too much. Let's not go. No,
You mean the pens here?
we are not going, guys.
You can see, not buy, you can see.
Thank you. So this is like how can I tell you, this is on our way to Aswan, two temple, Edofu temple and this one. Edofu is little big also, but it was 550 or 600 Egyptian pound something, and this one is like 450 pound, which is $10. No, it's only this much. I'm not paying just for this. You can see from outside. We will go and paint Abu Simbel better. You can. She's saying in Egypt she have a girlfriend. It's illegal.
It's illegal.
It-
I know. My girlfriend.
It's crazy. Wow.
Mashallah.
She's telling in Egypt she have a girlfriend. Oh my God. I hope no bad person is here to harm us.
I don't like guys.
You know, it's very illegal in Egypt.
I don't like it.
Yeah. Okay.
Adam, okay?
Yeah, Adam.
Hamid,
I like you.
Ladi.
No. No.
All hands in Nubia.
Yeah, I know Nubian.
Yes.
I'm my friend Nubian, but I don't want.
Look in the hat.
No. Yamaradi.
You can say stop.
Let's go at river. And we are surrounded by so many people who are selling stuff. We are blogger. Yes. YouTube.
It's very good, very beautiful. This have a good day.
Yeah, you too, man.
Welcome to Egypt.
थैंक यू भाई, कितने लोग चीज़ें बेच रहे हैं, ये लोग यहाँ पे पैसे भी चेंज कर रहे हैं, बताओ। हैं तो मारा ने पैसे भी चेंज करवाए हैं, बट लेट्स गो बैक नाउ। याल्ला लेट्स गो। Did you change euro?
Yeah, I'm a bank here, you know. I have bills, so I change against euro. Like coins.
How much he gave you?
30 euros.
Ah, okay. Nice. Let's go. भाई ये कंट्री इतना अजीब है, पूरा ना मैंने 1500 रुपये दिया है, ठीक है, होटल तक छोड़ने का। अब होटल मेरा बोट के उस तरफ है, तो वो भी इंक्लूड ही होना चाहिए। एंड इन लोगों ने भाई 1200 रुपये दिए थे, $5 एक्स्ट्रा दिया मैंने, और दे स्टिल वांट मनी फॉर मी फॉर द बोट, विच इज़ क्रेजी। व्हाई है? आई ऑलरेडी पेड 300 एक्स्ट्रा। इजिप्ट इज सो शिट, जीसस। Anyway, you cannot trust anybody in this country.
مش هوقف زبون يا اسطى، بس بالعدل، فاهم؟
I think more than to see the place in Egypt, it's more about the scam content.
ليه يا اخي؟
And
انا قلت لك كده. طب ايه عملت
how they
معاك؟
never do things
ايه عملت معاك يا اسطى؟
It's crazy.
طب انت عايز ايه يا اسطى؟
So you see guys, we are here and then we just have to take this road and go by the bridge, okay, which is like maybe 4, 5, 6 kilometer, and for 4, 5, 6 kilometer the gas in Egypt is like 30 cents, not more, 30 cents only. And he was saying to me, take boat and pay to the boat 100 or 200 again, which is like $5. just 30 cents you can drop me at this place. There is a road when I have paid already 300 more. So guys, I hope he will drop me and not just put me in just random ferry. And it's crazy and I don't want to pay. So wow, I have to double check, but Egypt is full of shit scam. So somehow I booked my village, or so somehow I booked my hotel on the Nubian village side. So that was the problem. So this is like the main Aswan area, and then we have to cross to that side, just like we did in Luxor. Same thing, I booked towards that side. I'm not paying again. Give my money back. Huh? This is so shit. Wasting my time, guys. It's 1:30 now. I'm so tired. You give my 200 back. Call hotel.
Just call me.
Yeah. Why I go and pay taxi again?
Just sit down.
I've already paid 1,500.
Sit down. Okay.
Shit country, man. Egypt is so shit. Jesus. What bullshit. So he's just saying you take boat and go that side. Then I have to take the car again to go that side. Jesus, is insane. I don't leave. Give my money back, 200. You think I have time? Oh, bullshit. I've paid 1,500 already. All of them are nonsense, full of scammer. Wasting my time, Jesus. Because he had to drop me to the hotel. Now he's saying your hotel is that side, I don't drop you. So give my money, I go. Ask him, give me 200, I go. He's scamming me with the hotel in Luxor. He and hotel owner in Luxor both took my money.
What's the name of your hotel?
Luxor View Hotel. Luxor View Hotel. You know, I pay 1,500, 300 extra.
1,500? 15?
Yeah,
15 what?
1,500 Egyptian pound. Yeah, 300 extra.
Yeah.
You know, I paid 300 extra, so he dropped me in my hotel.
Tell him I call the police to tourist
Yeah,
now.
call police now.
Okay.
You help me call police now. This nonsense country. Help me to call the police.
Okay.
No, you call the police. You are Egyptian. I don't have number.
Okay, right.
Being in a car, it's about wasting lot of time. Like, it's already about to be 2 p.m. I have not done anything. And I don't like this. This is every day in Egypt, every single day, every person. You know, it's fine. You know, other people, they paid 1,200. Their hotel was this side. And I paid 300 extra, which is a lot of money. 300, you know, $7 or $6 extra. And he's not dropping me to my side. Okay, if you can drop only until this part, give my 300 back. Why should I pay more? Okay, we are getting dropped at same place and return my money. So I use that 300 to go another side. As simple as that. What bullshit. Like, why are you making things difficult? Why you are crying for money? It's my hard-earned money. I cannot give you for free. Like, every single person in this country is like begging, scamming for money. It's bullshit. So guys, finally that person, he gave the money back. Now we have the money to pay for the new taxi, but it wasted my 1 hour. You know, we reached here at 1 o'clock, 1:10 in this town. Now it's 2 o'clock. But hey, Jesus. Anyways, you see, this is a new taxi that I've booked from InDrive, and I hope it will be okay. So this is life in Egypt, guys. Guys, after so many months, I shouted like this. in African style. I was in Africa you have to speak like this, even in Egypt at least a little, otherwise they don't understand. I swear to God, I talk like this after a very long time. This is Aswan. Look at Aswan, guys. Guys, they are asking me Miss Ria. Hello. You Miss Ria? Yes. Me no Miss Ria. Hindia.
India.
Yes.
1, 2.
Okay, I'll talk to you later, okay? I come back.
Allah, come back.
Yeah, come back.
Candy.
Candy, today no have, tomorrow, okay? He's asking, give me candy. Eh, No, $1. Why?
Give me candy.
Tomorrow.
Give me bully.
He said, give me candy. We have finally reached Aswan and all the scam happened. Welcome to Egypt, of course. Let me show you the property. So this is where I'm staying at. This gives a beautiful Mediterranean vibe. You can see right now I've kept my laptop here and my bag. Traditional Islamic Nubian sitting. This is the place. And ye bhai apna kamra hai. So this is my room. I usually like twin beds because I'm so messy, so I don't want my bed to be messy, so I put all the stuff in another bed and on one bed I sleep. So this is the problem with me. I don't know what's the name of this disease. Like, if everything is too sorted, I don't get inspiration to work and I don't want to make mess out of it. So I already arranged the mess near me, like I put my laptop here and there, everything. And then it's easy for me to pick up things because everything is already working in its way. Like here and there, open, half open, closed. So is this crazy? For example, if I keep this very good in my room, I will never open it, okay? But if it's already out of the box and blah blah blah, then it's easy for me to work. My rooms are always messy. Maybe it's artistic side of me. I'm giving excuses. So anyways guys, we are in Aswan and the wind, the water, the soil here is so peaceful. If you are Punjabi or Kashmiri from those part of India, I think you will feel the same in countries like Iran, Oman, Egypt, Sudan. These countries and the land of Punjab have same kind of air, not 100% but at least some traces are same. So I feel so calm. Best places on the earth. Sudan is one of the best countries. So Egypt also now is like calm. You know, when people in Egypt, if people are not around, if I'm just sitting with the soil of Egypt, it's okay. I like the geography. I feel like it's okay, I can move with it. But if people are shouting all the time, then I don't like it. So good evening guys, it's almost 4:36 p.m. and today my day was kind of wasted. Go to see around and eat.
Yeah, come.
Just to see around, yeah. So today the day was wasted. I reached here by 2:20 something. By the time I showered, it was 3 p.m. and then some places already closed by 4. So I did not see anything today, but anyways, this is Nubian village in Aswan. Is this real village or is this for tourists?
Tourists, alles.
No.
Yeah.
Is made for tourists or very old village?
Yeah, old.
Old village, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's saying it's not okay.
From old. PLA or Abu Simbel.
Okay, so he's saying it's not made specifically for tourists, it's very old. Nice. So guys, this is Nubian side of Aswan. These people have been living here all these Nilotic tribes since thousands of years. You cannot count. Like they were the first ones.
Assalamu alaikum.
So, salam, aunties. You see? So, yeah. So nice. Okay, I want to ask you, my friend. I want to ask you.
Please.
First people in Egypt, Sudan, Nubian or Arabic?
Yeah, Nubian.
Nubian?
Yeah.
First one.
Yeah.
Guys, I told you.
Yeah.
You know we.
Symbol while Pharaoh. Nefertiti,
Yeah, Pharaoh
Cleopatra,
culture.
alle Nubian.
Yeah, all Nubian. You see, I was telling.
And the Muslim.
Yeah. Then come Muslim. Yeah.
Muslim.
Ho.
And yeah. No, we talk Nubian, no Arabic.
Can you speak Nubian?
Yeah.
Wallahi.
Speak a little bit English.
Yeah.
A little bit, but perfect German.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And Arabic and Nubian.
Arabic and Nubian.
How to say what is your name in Nubian?
Ennis Manera.
And in Arabic?
Esmike.
Guys, he can speak Nubian language. Okay, good. Nice. Very old culture, man. Very old culture.
Melate.
Yeah,
Bilbilat.
stadium, football. Yeah.
Football. Kurate.
Kurate, yeah.
Kurate Nubian.
Oh.
Kurate.
Oh, Kurate?
Kurate.
In Nubian, okay. Gaja bhai,
Yeah.
nice.
Das Name ist kleine Krankenhaus.
Okay.
From Nubian. Mustashfate.
Nice.
Mustashfate.
Mushashwate. Little difficult. So guys, this is our food. And I was eating koshali, which is also macaroni and rice, but today we decided to take pasta. So that's it. Let's see how is it. It was written there will be aubergine also, but he has not put eggplant. It's fine, it's nice. It would be good if he gave eggplant. You know, I think I'm on lack of vegetables because every day is just falafel and beans, falafel beans. But it's fine. भाई नील के बिल्कुल सामने खाना खा रही हूँ मैं. तो ये रही नील. एंड आपको पता है क्या, इस तरफ ना क्रोकोडाइल नहीं है अब. देर इज़ नो क्रोकोडाइल. एवरीवन इज टेलिंग मी लाइक यू कैन स्विम, देर इज़ नो क्रोकोडाइल, बट आई एम लाइक नील हैव क्रोकोडाइल. Then they told me since the dam, they have this dam in Aswan, the pathway was blocked and crocodile, you know, they died and disappeared. Only if it's true. But in Sudan, go in the Nile, you will be eaten in 1 second. So this side in Nile there is no crocodile. Bhai, you won't believe what I found, okay? In this restaurant, I found this bread. And guys, this is like Punjabi bread. This is literally like very close, very similar to roti. By the color, I can tell you this is like whole wheat. It's not maida. It's not 0-0. It's like brown bread. Very close. Not exactly like chapati, but very close, and it's healthy. Oh, I'm so happy now. Nice.